This is MOTOROLA Moto G72, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So the first step that you need to take is to launch the Google Play Store. Make sure that your device is connected to the network, of course. Should it be cellular or Wi-Fi, but I highly insist that for downloading anything you use the Wi-Fi network, because it's obviously free of charge. Next, at the search bar of your Play Store, type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera browser to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now you can go ahead and launch it. In here, tap on this blue continue button, then choose whether you would like for the Opera to be set as your default browser app, which I'll skip. Finally, there is this page that provides you with an opportunity to customize the permissions and access that you are going to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that it needs, which I'll do myself and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.